Next time, you motherfucking. Listen. Listen. When I say you can't get no fucking pizza, I mean you fucking can't get no pizza. Did I just say that? Fucking listen, bitch. Phew. At least he's not gonna whoop me. Oh, so your ass think I'm gonna let you walk away and not disobey me again? Nah, I lied, bitch. I lied, bitch. It's what I'm looking at today, bro. Everybody, did I tell you last night you didn't do shit? Did I tell you you didn't do shit? I told you that. Everything. How many times I told you that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Now see why you're out there hanging out with me. So guess what? Yes, you're gonna stay. Fuck it. No hanging out with friends. No pizza. No TV. No shit. Stay your ass in here. Yes. Go ass nigga.